what's up YouTube? Me, Titan BMG, here back with another video.
I'm Pickle Rick!
What's up guys? Today's video is an HSP Grampus video as usual because I only have the HSP Grampus, and as you guys can see, if you've ever seen this car stock, the gearing system, you would instantly know that this is not the gear that you get with the car. I actually, you know that this screw that goes in on the side, usually it's like this. You see, I have this thing. This really helps a lot with all the spares. It's a tiny little thing right here. Focus for me, buddy. Come on, you can do it. Okay. Alrighty then. Let me just put that on the table. Why will my phone not focus today? This is so... There it... Oh, come on. Either way, it's like this. The hole for the Allen keys on the inside, but that gear came off. I have an extra screw here, but it didn't fit in this gear. So I was at Sir Panda's house with him. We were about to do a lot of cool things with the cars, and then that gear just completely got buggered up. This is the original, I don't know what gear it is, and when I throttled it, I just hit the throttle, it completely ate away at this gear. As you can see, it's like pretty much completely smooth here. That's all that's left of the this big gear. If you can just tell me what this big gear is and what it's called, this small gear and this big gear. And then as you can see, this is like the dust from the gear that came off. And yeah, there's quite a lot of parts involved with the fastening of the big gears. These two things that I don't know what these are called. And these two metal plates, I guess. Two washers, and then the nut and the spring there, I guess, helps you tighten it. And yeah guys, that's pretty much what happened. And then this weekend, I don't know what the date will be, but then I'm looking into buying a new gearing setup, maybe even two gearing setups. So I have a high speed and a high torque one, and then after that I will be buying a new body. Now you guys have until Friday to announce what kind of body you would like to see. If you'd like a truck body, maybe like a Jeep body, Ferrari body, you know, something. But I'm preferably going to buy an you know, those invisible bodies that you can see through, and then I'll just end up spraying it, and then yeah, to you guys' liking. Hope you guys enjoy my videos, and as always, just, you know, have a good one.